Hola, how's it going, everybody? Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. And guess what? We have just a really cute two-bedroom place here. This is really close to the airport, so if you're a pilot or coming to Fiji part-time or need a just place to crash out and enjoy yourself, here's one two-bedroom that's already been rented. And then you have this nice common open area for parking. So there's one tenant here. This is the second unit, and really cool place to call home when you're looking for a rental property in Fiji. Super close and convenient to everything. The Nandi Business and Commercial Center. You can see there, bula, cleaning the pools. You have the ceiling fan, the air con, big, huge mirror to check yourself out. Hey, looking good. Modern appliances, Whirlpool fridge and Westinghouse oven, heating drawer and microwave. Then you have that four-top gas burner stovetop with the vent hood, all big countertops, lots of storage here with the double sinks and the dishwasher. More storage. Look at this. This is like a huge walk-in. You could have so many things here. Look at that. And all that nice glass block, which brings in the fresh air. How cool is that? All right, walk with me now. So we've seen sort of this great open living area with wonderful sitting outside there. And this unit comes with this swimming pool, 2-bed, one bath with this great swimming pool. So let's go see the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Another mirror they're gonna put back up on the wall. Here's the view from this bedroom, and you can see they have all this privacy here. So you have the curtains and all this privacy screen and all this tropical vegetation here and this nice wood deck. So you're living the island life, man. This is it. And you are super close, like I said, to the airport, the business center, commercial district, restaurants, retail, shopping, coffee bar, wine shops. And look at this modern shower, all fully tiled glass block for privacy. Sink, we'll turn this around. There's the vanity mirror, nice mirror and sink. And then this is the second bedroom with that light ceiling fan up there. And again, some just really great tropical vegetation out there. You can hear the birds chirping here. And then some more storage up top for some of your additional belongings. So find out more about this rental. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. We'll get you all the details. More importantly, let's go take a look at the swimming pool you'll be hanging out at. Imagine how many friends that you can have right here chilling out by the pool. And if you like mangoes, grab some mangoes off this tree. Bring a blender, get some Fijian rum from our friends at the Fiji Rum Company. And look at that. You can just be loving it right here. Well, we look forward to hearing from you soon. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. And we'll tell you all the details about this rental and all of the rental properties that we have here in this 333 island nation of Fiji in the South Pacific. Have a beautiful day. Look at it today. Oh, you could be right there, or maybe right there, or maybe right there. See you soon. Vinaka.